Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new project. This is Modular Spaceship 5. As you can see here, there are 5 variations. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, 4 and 5. So as you can see here, the texture set. So as you can see, I have the antenna set, this one, and the joint and the body parts, and also like the head parts. So as you can see here, this asset is fully done and ready to export in the Unity and Unreal. So you are seeing it from the Substance Painter. So all the parts are jointable. You can joint and you can create the new variations. So I just put this 5 variations here, as you can see. So this is like the engine parts, and these are like the mega engine. It's like a kind of like a super powerful engine. So it's like also the back part of the spaceship. And this is from the bottom side, and this is from the upper side. So it's like very straightforward design, and very the poly count is as always very measurable. And it's like this is the head part, as you can see here, the head part and the joint section, and these are the body section. So this is the first part actually from the substance. I hope you are enjoying, and you will be enjoying in the second part, which is Unity, and the last part is from the Unreal. So thank you very much. Keep supporting me, and keep watching this. Thank you. Hello everyone. I welcome you on the second part of the Spaceship 5 project. So this is, you are seeing it from the Unity. As you can see, this is from the Unity. I create the the space atmosphere here. As you can see, the nighttime space type of feeling there, and all the 5 spaceship is there. So this is the project is completely ready, and you can have this actual FBX actually, and you have the all the materials. Okay, materials are there, and here is the texture set. All the texture set are actually 4K, by the way. All the texture set are 4K, and here is like the modular parts. Okay, the modular parts, this is the engine part. Okay, this is the head part. So as you can kind of like a drag and drop from the drawer, and every part is separatable. Okay, and also you have the prefab section, where you have the ready-made of this 5 spaceship, 1 2 3 4 5. You can make another variation. So this is like 1 variations there, this is like 2 variation there. Okay, so they are ready-made. Okay, as I do the maximize view, you can have a better look of how the spaceship are kind of like. This one is from the back side. As you can see, they are glowing, and the the lights from the engine looks very good. And I use a little bit of post-processing for the final look, and they're looking quite okay. And this is the final look of the project. So as you can see, this is the head part, and kind of like 5 variations is there. So I hope this is a complete package, and I hope you enjoy the second part. And from the bottom side, yeah, the ship is looking like this from the bottom side, and also from the upper side, like in the front side is like this. Okay, so thank you guys, and this is the second part, the ending of the second part, and I will come again with the third part shortly. So as you can see, this is my project from the Unity. If you need this one, don't hesitate to contact with me, and you can visit to my asset store to have this one. This is number 5, spaceship number 5, and you will have the 5 collections, I mean the 5 spaceship ready to use in your project or in your game. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is part number 3, actually the last part of the Spaceship 5 project. So you are seeing it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. Actually, as you can see, the assets are ready. So like Unity, this is the the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay. So in the content drawer, you could have a separate map for this one, and also the textures. All the textures are 4K, by the way, they are 4K. And the materials, so the materials are like this, as you can see, and the materials are fully ready, like this one. As you can see, they are fully ready for kind of start in importing in the project. So yeah, and if I get a maximized view for this one, I use a little bit of post-processing like the Unity. So that's why you are seeing a little bit of bloom effect and shyness in the thing. So yeah, this is like you can see here from the back side, like this. Okay. And you can increase the emissive amount if you like. And this is from the bottom side. As you can see here, the bottom side looking quite okay. Yeah, this is from the bottom side, and this one from the upper side. As you can see here, this one from the upper side. So yeah, and if you need this one, you can contact with me and straight go to my asset store to purchase this one. I am just offering this assets a very minimum amount of price, actually very minimum. So it's like you can afford this one very effectively, and you can use this one in your project. So this one actually you can use it in your RTS game, and also space type of games and projects, whatever. Okay. So this is the final part from the actually Unreal Engine 5.3. So yeah, Unreal Engine users can contact with me and also purchase. All the links are given in my YouTube channel and also the Facebook Opuart. So yeah, this is actually from me, and this is the end of this project. So I hope you enjoy, and I will be come again with the new project. So till then, bye and love you all, and please stay with me, stay with my channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.